At first glance, this little guy looks like a harmless house pet. Rats, like this one, can potentially save the lives of thousands of people. But Isaac, yes, Isaac, is a hero. What's been the success rates with these rats? Have they continuously been finding mines, even more so than humans?
Yeah, I'm very happy to say that since we started working with these rats, we never missed any mine behind us.
African giant pouched rats have an incredible sense of smell. They can find the smallest amounts of TNT, meaning they can find landmines, buried explosives that people would never see. Cambodia is covered in these bombs after decades of back-to-back wars. A person with a metal detecting machine typically takes a few days to clear a space that's a couple hundred square meters. But rats, they can do the same job in just 30 minutes. They are also light on their feet, so they're less likely to set off the bombs. But rats aren't the only soldiers in this fight. The dog's in better shape than I am. Dogs are on the front lines too. Eventually it goes from find the treat to find the bomb.
Yeah.
Using their nose to find the most deadly weapons. Wow, so wait, his nose could detect that in there, this tiny little piece of cone.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay.
So all the dogs pretty much have to get to that obedience level before they're sent out.
Yes, because minefield is dangerous. Obedience and discipline is very important before we deploying our dog to work in the field.
Landmines and UXOs, buried or dropped explosives, have a complex interior design.
This cavity here would have been filled with explosive.
Wired with TNT that could explode with even the slightest touch. Here at CMAC, the Cambodian Mine Action Center, researchers study landmines and UXOs. Why do you need all this? Why is it a controlled bunker?
You know the bomb, right? If something wrong, it go off, it's gonna kill us. That's why we build protection like this.
All the TNT that was in this shell is right here. And now it's getting made into these little explosives that are going to be used to blow up other landmines. So it's a whole recycling program we have here. They're creating 3D printed models of some of the most dangerous bombs.
When they're putting this landmine in the field, they place it very carefully, and then they pull that pin. Now,
oh wow,
it's ready to go.
So how would the people removing the bombs use the models to help them recognize the 40 different types of landmines and UXOs?
Explosive ordnance comes in so many shapes, so many sizes.
That legit looks like a Christmas ornament.
Yeah, it actually looks like a Christmas ornament. This is quite a nasty bomb.
Many bombs don't even look dangerous at all. Kids sometimes mistake them for toys and get hurt.
Yeah, that can be a big problem, right? I mean, a big bomb, everybody knows to stay away from that thing.
But a tiny little number like that.
That's right, and these are dropped in quantities of hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands in one time. So you'll have many of these around that are UXO.
The hope is that these 3D models will help everyday people too, so that a farmer or child who comes across one can report it instead of picking it up and getting killed. There are still millions of bombs out there, but each day, these remarkable and brave scientists, workers, and animals are erasing the remnants of a dark past, clearing a way towards a brighter future. Arielle Hickson, Channel 1 News.